Hello everyone, this is Sir King once again, and today we're going to discuss about our lesson 2 for our PE quarter 4 lesson 2. Okay, so before we're going to proceed in our lesson, let's have first our pre-test. So read each statement carefully and choose the letter for those correct answer. Write your answer on your answer sheet. So again, for the face-to-face student, you just have to answer directly. And for the modular students, you have to write everything on your notebook. Understood? Okay, so let's start. It is a team sport that is composed of 10 to 12 players per team, where 5 players each quarter. 5 players play each quarter. What type of sport is that? Of course, it's... Okay, very good. Basketball. How about for number 2? It is a basic skill that a player should possess in basketball wherein speed defines the best. Okay, this sport requires speed. It is called running. Of course, in basketball, kailangan tumatakbo. Number 3, the game basketball was invented in the year what? Okay, I'm sure that you're still not aware about this because pretest pa naman ito. 1891. Okay, number 4, in basketball, it is the skill that allows you to move around the playing area while you're in the possession of the ball. Of course, you are not allowed to carry the ball all the time, so you have to do the dribbling. Okay. Number 5, he is a Canadian educator who invented the game basketball. It's Dr. James Naismith. Okay. So number 6, the place where basketball is invented. Where? Okay, it's Springfield, Massachusetts. Okay, so next, the offense is allowed a maximum of 24 seconds to have a ball in hand before shooting. These 24 seconds are counted on the blank. If the offense fails to shoot a ball that hits the rim, they will lose the possession of the ball to the other team. What's your answer? It's it's shot clock. Next, this is the type of cushioning that basketball players use to cut and slide their foot in providing extra padding around the ankle. So, ginagamit nila knee pads. Okay, next. It is a container that is used to hold water, liquids, or the other beverages for consumption. What's your answer? For consumption. Okay. You can use, actually, it's either C or D, water bottle or container. Na mali siya dili ah. Next, it is the maximum number of players per team in basketball game. It's, okay, very good. It's 12. Now, number 11, a condition wherein people push themselves too hard during physical activity. It was discussed before. Too much daw, ginapush na nilang kaugalingon when they are doing physical activity. Okay, overexertion. Number 12, it is a condition that occurs when the body's core temperature begins to rise. Mutaas ang temperature sa lawas. It's hyperthermia. Great job. 13, the condition of having abnormally low body temperature. Pag low body temperature, it is called hypothermia. 14, this condition happens when your body possesses a greater amount of water than the amount being taken in. So, mas daghan tayo dawala ang tubig kaysa sa imong gina-take. Kasi sa condition. Okay, very good. Dehydration. Last number, the following statements are for the prevention of overexertion except one. Which of the following on the choices is not part of the statement regarding prevention of overexertion? It's letter D. Use safe and efficient workspace. Very good. So you have to count your answer. So again, for the modular student, you just have to write it. Now, let me ask you, who is this celebrity? Diba? This is, it's Michael Jordan. So Michael Jordan is considered by many basketball fanatics and experts as the greatest basketball player of all time. But before he reached where he is right now, he went through one of his life's lowest times. He was cut from varsity basketball team. He pushed himself to be better. The rest is history as he dominated the highest level of professional basketball and went on to become a sports icon. So, Michael Jordan, before he became famous, no, he experienced ups and downs. So he was rejected in their club before, but eventually he joined a varsity basketball team and then make history because he's now one of the icon of the basketball. But even if there are lots of existing basketball players nowadays that are as good as him, still Michael Jordan is a legend. Okay? Basketball. I know that many of you here are very active of the sport basketball since it's very big here in the Philippines. So, before we're going to proceed in our lesson, let's have an activity first. Again, for face-to-face, okay, for modular, you are going to answer this. But for face-to-face, you're also going to answer this. Okay? Ansiran po ninyo, no? Sige. And di na punta sa activity 2. Kani siya, di na siya mo answeran face-to-face students. Pero ang modular mo answer mo ani, okay? Directions, answer the following questions. Write your answer in your activity notebook. Okay, buhaton ninyo ni ha. Modular. Okay? Apil gihapon na siya dito as a question. Okay. Let's discuss about the nature, background, and history of basketball. Basketball is a game played between two teams of 5 players on a rectangular court, usually indoors. So, hindi sinasabi dito na pang indoor lang ang basketball kasi sinabi dito usually indoors. The objective of the game is to shoot a ball through a basket. It is one of the most popular and widely viewed team sport in the world. Okay. So, shooting, passing, rebounding, and running are the commonly used skills on this game, as well as different positions such as player, positioning, defensive and offensive structure, and techniques. The center, power forward, or small forward are the tallest player of the team, while the point guard or shooting guard are the shorter players of the team that possesses the best ball handling skills and speed play. That's why the coach must be very aware about his players so that he's be able to put according to their skills and positions. Okay? So it was invented by Canadian clergyman, educator, and physician James Naismith on or about December 1891 at YMCA or the Young Men's Christian Association Training School. Now it is Springfield College in Springfield, Massachusetts. It was Luther Halsey Gulick, Naismith's supervisor and college first physical educator director, who challenged Naismith to invent a new indoor game for the school's students to play during the long New England winter. The first basket used for the first game was a peach basket, and a soccer ball was used for the first 2 years of playing basketball. So, according to the history, on the first game of the basketball, first 2 years, they used peach basket and soccer ball. Okay, so mao gina siya. What are the basic skills in basketball? First, we have dribbling. Kabalo naman mo sa dribbling, di ba? Kanang gina pa untol-untol. So, you have next is shooting. Of course, i-shoot mo ang bola sa ring. Next is passing. Of course, passing no. Unsa man pag-pass? Okay, pass sa kaubang. Next. Okay, we have also here. Okay, basic passes. Basic passes. Chest pass, bounce pass, para sa nasa picture, and overhead pass. Okay? Sige. Rebounding. Isa po na siya sa skills, no? Sa basketball. So, running also, no? So, of course, kanang mag-forward, kanang magdagan-dagan na. Okay. So, sa equipment sa basketball, so we have first bola. Okay? So, kinahanglan nato ang bola, kay of course, para magdula. Another is uniform. So, of course, the purpose of uniform para ma-identify pud ka sa kang team. Especially during play, para ma-recognize ka kung kisang pasahan or dili kay usay sa pagdula nato, bilang ta kabalo kung kisay pasahan, labi na pagpare-pareho tag uniform. Okay, that's why uniform should be unique. Okay, number 3, basketball sneakers. Of course, shoes. Kinahanglan kay na. Water bottle. Kinahanglan sab kay na. No? So, scoreboard. No? Kinahanglan ko ng scoreboard. Kaya para sa unsa? Para makita ang transparency sa okay, points. Whistles. Of course, kinahanglan ang whistles for technical timeout, for signals, no? Nga you are to signal something. Next, timer. So again, looking at the facilities in basketball. So as you can see, this is the court of the basketball, though. The court is a flat, hard surface, free from obstructions, at 28 meter long and 15 meters wide. So measured from the inner edge of the boundary line. So gikan dira makita niyo ang measurement. So if makita niyo gikan diri okay, once na diri ang opponent, unya gidagan na ang bola padulong diri nya nakaabot na siya diri sa Picas court. Okay. Kung nakaabot na diri sa Picas court, no, di na siya pwede mo balik diri ang player. So dapat mangita siya paagi nga ipasa niya diri og i-shoot niya diri sa rim. Okay? Next, we have also here the lines. Okay, so muna siya ang line sa court. So, the basic rules and regulation of basketball. So, basketball regulations might fluctuate. Okay, might fluctuate because ang basketball rules and regulation of good class is naka-base na siya sa what level of basketball is that. For example, ang rim nato diri sa school o sa iyong barangay. Ang kana nga rim is dili siya same sa rim dito sa mga pang-international kay mga tag-as naman na kamo kay mga putot man mo, so adjust na nato ang rim. Pero pag sa international, of course, lahi ang ilahang measurement. Okay, that's why sinasabi dito that the basketball regulations might fluctuate slightly based on the level of competition. For example, professional rules differ from the collegiate rules. So iba ang level or ang rules and regulations sa collegiate rules or college, and of course sa professional level. Or according din sa location, nakadepende din yan siya, okay? So ito yung mga rules for the offensive. The ball must be bounced or dribbled with one hand while both feet are moving. Okay, so dili pwede duha ka kamot nga iuntol-untol dito ano. Next, the basketball player is only allowed to dribble once. Okay, to dribble once lang. So pag kumanana, ipasa na niya. Again, 24 seconds, pag wala pa niya napasa niya, sige siya dribble. Pag 24, after sa 24 seconds, or dapat ipasa, or before mag-end of 24 seconds, dapat mo pasa na siya sa pikas. Kaya di pwede nga ang bola, 24 seconds, sige siya pauntol-untol. So, dapat, before mag-end of 24 seconds, ipasa niya ang bola sa pikas. Okay? Pikas niya kauban. Kaya para di ilang magdugay sa iya. Pwede may ipasa siya balik. Basta kay, di siya mag 24 seconds sugulit sa bola. Kaya you can only dribble once. Okay? So, the ball must remain within the boundaries of the field. So, for example, katong ganiha, di ba, ang court, na ito nga, once diri o nakatabok na ka sa Picas court, kay tungod i-shoot mo sa Picas, di ka pwede mabalik dito kay tungod gigukod ka sa mga kalaban, no? So, while dribbling, the player's hand must be on top of the ball. So, carrying the ball occurs when a player touches the ball of the basketball. So, dili pwede kay, kung saan naman to, okay, kuha na siya, traveling na siya, no? So, dapat dili siya dalahon ang bola. Okay, so again, the offensive team is not allowed to return to the backcourt once they have the cross half court. So, again, dili na pwede, once nakatabok na ka sa Picas court, di na pwede ibalik ang bola dito sa Picas court na po. Okay. So, defensive rules. Okay, you can read the defensive rules. I'll give you time. And the pointing system is for the free throw, 1 point. Goal shot within the perimeter, 2 points. And beyond the 3-point line, 3 points. Okay. So, you have to answer this type of activity. Hindi pala ito siya activity, no? So, it's dehydration. Gibalik naman ako discuss, no? Of course, when we say dehydration, nakulangan sa tubig sa lawas. So, kinahanglan na siya nga mainom kag tubig every day or every time that you're doing physical activities. Overexertion, sobraan ka lihok, sobraan ka exercise, kaya gusto mapapaya, tanawa na bunog. So, dapat relax lang. Hypothermia, this is the sudden low of the body temperature. And hyperthermia, increase of body temperature. Okay, so ito yung mga sasagutan nyo. Gagawa kayo ng survey, at least dalawa lang. Okay, for modular students at face-to-face students, gagawin nyo to. Dapat you're going to interview at least 2 persons. It could be your classmate or other people, basta lalaki. Gagawin nyo gagawin nyo to, at ito yung format. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for your cooperation and participating in our class through dropping comments, and hopefully you're able to learn something today about the basketball. So see you next time.